Few symbols in the world of luxury fashion are as instantly recognizable as the Versace Medusa Pendant Necklace. Bold, opulent, iconic. This piece isn't just jewelry, it's a statement of power, decadence, and high fashion. But how is it made? What does it take to craft this legendary pendant from start to finish? A bold gold chain, a round pendant emblazoned with the face of Medusa, the mythical figure who turned onlookers to stone. Worn by fashion powerhouses like Gigi Hadid, Dua Lipa, and Drake, it straddles the worlds of luxury fashion and streetwear with ease. Today, we're stepping inside the world of Versace craftsmanship to uncover the secrets behind its creation. Please subscribe and stick around until the end and you'll learn some shocking facts you never knew about this necklace. To understand the Medusa pendant, you need to understand the House of Versace. Founded in 1978 by Gianni Versace, the brand has always been about drama, decadence, and daring design. And from the very beginning, one symbol stood out above them all: Medusa. Gianni Versace chose Medusa for a reason. She was powerful, dangerous, beautiful, and once you looked into her eyes, there was no turning back. He wanted his designs to have the same effect. Since then, the Medusa head has become the emblem of the brand. It's appeared on everything from silk shirts to sneaker tongues, but nowhere is it more iconic than on the pendant necklace. This isn't just jewelry, it's a wearable piece of mythology. Before a single mold is made, Versace's design team begins at the drawing board. Their goal? To keep the Medusa motif fresh, fierce, and fashion-forward. Designers start by refining the iconic Medusa head to suit the latest collection. Her facial features, stoic yet seductive, are carefully sculpted to convey strength and beauty. The pendant's border may feature Greco-Roman inspired motifs like the Greek key, a nod to classical art that defines Versace's aesthetic. Chains are selected for their weight, symmetry, and drape, ensuring they complement the dramatic pendant. 3D modeling software is used to render the pendant digitally. This helps determine size, scale, and proportions to ensure it lies perfectly against the chest. Bold, but not bulky. Fun fact: there are multiple versions of the Medusa pendant, some made of brass with gold tone finishing, others in sterling silver, or even embellished with Swarovski crystals. When it comes to materials, Versace doesn't cut corners. Most Medusa pendants are made using brass, a durable, versatile metal perfect for detailed sculpting. Once cast, the brass is plated with rich gold using advanced electroplating techniques. This gives the pendant that signature gleam that catches the light and everyone's attention. For high-end versions, Versace may use sterling silver or gold-plated silver. Crystal-studded editions include precision-cut stones like Swarovski for a sparkling, modern twist. Each chain is carefully chosen for its finish and strength. Cuban link, Cuban chain, and rope styles are among the most popular, each offering a different kind of luxury edge. Fun fact: Versace's gold tone plating undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its shine lasts, even with regular wear. Now comes the most transformative part of the process: casting and sculpting. Once the metal is chosen, it's melted down at extreme temperatures, above 1,000 degrees Celsius. The liquid metal is then poured into specially designed wax molds, which are created using a technique called lost wax casting. This ensures that every detail, from Medusa's piercing eyes to the delicate texture of her hair, is perfectly replicated. First, the design is translated into a wax mold, created through 3D printing. This wax version of the pendant is placed in a plaster mold and then melted away, leaving a hollow space in the shape of Medusa's face. Molten metal, usually brass or silver, is poured into the mold. Once cooled and solidified, the plaster is broken away, revealing a raw metal pendant. At this point, skilled artisans take over. Using engraving tools, they refine Medusa's features, sharpening her gaze, defining each lock of hair, and bringing her expression to life. This hand-finishing step ensures each pendant retains that signature Versace intensity. Once sculpted, the pendant goes through a multi-step finishing process. First stop: electroplating. The pendant is submerged in a gold bath and electrically charged, allowing gold ions to fuse with the metal surface. This process ensures even coating and deep radiant color. This not only gives it its signature Versace shine, but also enhances durability and resistance to tarnishing. Some versions feature a black enamel coating in the recessed areas, creating a dramatic contrast and adding depth to the design. Next, artisans polish the pendant by hand. Every curve and surface is buffed to a high shine, then sealed with a protective lacquer to guard against tarnish and wear. For crystal-studded versions, this is when the gems are meticulously hand-set into the pendant. Each stone is aligned for maximum sparkle and balance. Fun fact: a single Medusa pendant may go through up to 10 different polishing heads to achieve its smooth finish. With the pendant complete, it's time to join it with its perfect match, the chain. The Medusa pendant is only part of the masterpiece. The chain is just as important. Each necklace is assembled by hand. Pendants are paired with specific chain styles which are cut to length, fitted with clasps, and tested for durability and comfort. Versace typically uses a Greca pattern chain or a chunky Cuban link chain to complement the boldness of the pendant. These chains are cut, polished, and laser welded to ensure strength and durability. Once complete, each pendant is meticulously attached by hand. The final assembly step includes affixing the Versace logo tag and performing one last quality control check. Artisans ensure the pendant lies flat, the chain sits evenly, and the finish is flawless. The result? A necklace that radiates confidence, character, and couture quality. Before leaving the factory, every single Medusa pendant goes through a rigorous quality control process. Artisans inspect the surface for imperfections, check the durability of the plating, and ensure that every Medusa engraving is flawless. Only after passing these tests does the necklace receive its official Versace branding and hallmark stamp, guaranteeing authenticity and luxury quality. Now that the Medusa pendant necklace is complete, it's time for the grand reveal. Each piece is carefully placed in Versace signature packaging, typically a matte black or deep navy box with the Medusa seal embossed in gold. Luxury tissue, magnetic closures, and an authenticity card accompany the piece, underscoring its exclusivity. This isn't just packaging, it's presentation with power. Fun fact: Versace packaging is often designed to be reusable, reflecting the brand's commitment to sustainability without compromising luxury. The Versace Medusa pendant isn't just a necklace, it's a cultural icon. Worn by fashion powerhouses like Gigi Hadid, Dua Lipa, and Drake, it straddles the worlds of luxury fashion and streetwear with ease. Its popularity continues to grow thanks to its bold design and deep symbolism. Medusa's mythic energy speaks to those who want to turn heads, break rules, and own their style unapologetically. Whether worn alone or layered with other chains, the Medusa pendant stands as a modern amulet of confidence and creativity. Now, let's look at a few iconic facts about the Versace Medusa Pendant Necklace. Fun fact number 1. Did you know that Gianni Versace saw Medusa as a symbol of irresistible attraction? He wanted people to fall in love with his designs like a spell. Versace was fascinated by Greek mythology, and Medusa symbolized both beauty and danger, qualities that aligned perfectly with his design philosophy. Her gaze, which turned people to stone, was reinterpreted as the magnetic appeal of fashion that stops people in their tracks. Fun fact number 2. Did you know that the Medusa pendant's design hasn't changed dramatically since the 1980s? This is a testament to its timeless appeal. The consistency in design speaks to the strength of Versace's original aesthetic. Minor tweaks have been made over the decades, but the essence of the pendant remains untouched, reinforcing its status as a timeless staple in the luxury fashion world. Fun fact number 3. Did you know that Versace offers custom variations of the pendant in exclusive collections, available only through flagship boutiques? These exclusive pieces may feature rare materials, unique colorways, or limited edition packaging, making them highly desirable for collectors. It's a way for Versace to offer personalized luxury while celebrating the core iconography of the brand. Fun fact number 4. Did you know the necklace often appears in music videos and red carpet events, becoming a go-to piece for bold, statement fashion? From hip-hop artists to high-fashion models, the Medusa pendant is frequently styled in pop culture moments. Its blend of classical and modern design makes it versatile enough to shine on the street or the runway. And fun fact number 5. Did you know that some Medusa necklaces are limited edition, increasing their value over time among collectors and fashion enthusiasts? Because Versace occasionally releases special edition Medusa pendants in small quantities, these pieces can appreciate in value, especially when linked to significant events or celebrity appearances. They're not just accessories, they're investments. From molten metal to an emblem of power, the Versace Medusa pendant necklace is more than just jewelry. It's an icon of style and confidence. Every detail, every polish, and every link in the chain tells a story of expert craftsmanship and bold design. So the next time you see that legendary Medusa staring back at you, remember the artistry and skill that brought it to life. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at luxury craftsmanship, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world of high fashion manufacturing. See you next time.